You're going to love the 2013 GMC Yukon. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. All of the following features are included: automatic dimming door mirrors, power front seats, heated steering wheel, a roof rack, and a blind spot monitoring system. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.